You're watching 13 News, Kansas News Leader.
Good afternoon. Welcome back into Midday in Kansas. Back with our friend Charlene Patton and the Kansas Soybean Commission. It was a bitter cold weekend last weekend. We need some warm foods to warm us up. Maybe, I don't want to say pack on a few extra calories, but they'll help keep us warm, right, Charlene?
They sure will. And this morning we did the chicken soup with the cornmeal dumplings. I love that recipe. And so now we're going to add the dessert to go with it.
Okay.
And it's just a great way to warm up your kitchen. And I'll turn that back on. I have an iron skillet here with 2 tablespoons of margarine, which is a soy ingredient. We're going to let that warm up a little bit. You have the streusel topping, and I'm going to let you go ahead and start mixing that.
Do I use this little thing?
It is. This is a pastry blender,
Okay.
but if you don't have a pastry blender, you could use 2 forks.
Okay.
You have a half a cup of soy flour blend, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of oatmeal, little bit of cinnamon in there for some extra flavor, and then 1/4 of a cup of the margarine. And I'm going to add this 6 cups of apples, and I've just sliced those. You hear that sizzle?
Oh, yeah. Sounds good.
Sounds good, doesn't it? We've got 2 tablespoons of brown sugar that we're going to add to that, and a half a cup of dried cherries. You could use a combination of other fruits, and then a half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I love this recipe. You'll just have this bowl to wash when you're ready for cleanup. But we're just going to saute these just enough to glaze them a little bit.
Okay.
And then we will add our soy flour blend, and this just kind of adds a little bit of thickening. We've got a tablespoon of that. And then all that's left after we mix that together is your crumb topping.
How's that look? Does that look all right?
It's perfect.
Perfect.
That's what we want, just little crumbles. And all you're going to do now is just put that on the top.
You ready for it?
I am. Go
Okay.
ahead.
And just, I assume, just sprinkle it
Yeah,
all around like
yeah.
that?
Perfect. And then what we'll do is,
that looks
this
good.
is an iron skillet, so we can just set this in the oven, and it's going to bake at 350 for 45 minutes. Take it out. You can put this on the table, put it on a wooden board or a hot pad, and serve it right
Ooh,
from
the oven.
Yeah, so you have a hot dessert, and then you can either serve it with ice cream or a little bit of whipping cream in it.
Hey, that looks good to me. Yeah, a la mode sounds good. It looks delicious. I mean, the ice cream won't be a big difference. It won't add any chill to our bones
It
because
won't.
of this being so
That's
warm.
right.
It'll just be a
That's
compliment.
right.
This recipe, we can find it online, right, Charlene?
At kansassoybeans.org.
All right, thanks for that. And thank you for watching Midday in Kansas. Hope to see you tomorrow morning starting at 5 a.m. Have a wonderful rest of your day.